Hello, you are welcome to solve this maths problem, which is 9 over 4, the power of 9 over 4. So now, solution. Let's recall our problem. 9 over 4, power of 9 over 4, which is equal to, so the expression from here, this expression can be written as 3 square over 2 square, the power of 9 over 4. So as you have seen here, this term is in the form of a the power of m divided by b the power of m, which is equivalent to a over b the power of m. So by using this expression, this term will be 3 over 2 the power of 2 the whole power of 9 over 4. So this and this will be 2, which is 3 over 2 the power of 9 over 2. Now we can rewrite 9 as the sum of 8 and 1, which means this is equivalent to 3 over 2 the power of 8 plus 1 divided by 2. This will be 3 over 2 the power of, let's separate this one, 8 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Now this will be 3 over 2 the power of 4, that's 8 divided by 2, 4 plus 1 over 2. So as you have seen here, this expression is in the form of a the power of m plus n and can be rewrite as a the power of m times a the power of n. So applying this rule, this term will be 3 power over 2 the power of 4 times 3 over 2 the power of 1 over 2. Now we can reverse this one. That means that's a over b the power of m is equal to a the power of m over b the power of m. So let's apply this rule for both terms. That is 3 the power of 4 over 2 the power of 4 times 3 the power of 1 over 2 over 2 the power of 1 over 2. Now this 3 the power of 4 is equivalent to 81 over 2 the power of 4 is 16 times this will be root 3 divided by root 2. Now let's rationalize this denominator, that's root 2, by multiplying root 2 over 2, which is 81 divided by 16 times root 3 divided by root 2 times root 2 divided by root 2. So this would be 81 divided by 16 times, this will be root 3 times 2 divided by root 2 times 2. Now 81 divided by 16 times root 6 divided by root 4. So root 4 is a perfect square, so 81 root 6 divided by 16 times 2. Finally, 81 root 6 divided by 32 is the simplified forms of 9 divided by 4, the power of 9 divided by 4. We can solve it by another way. Let's see method 2. Now let's see another way of solving this problem, which is 9 divided by 4, the power of 9 over 4 can be written as 9 over 4 the power of 8 plus 1 divided by 4. So this will be 9 over 4 the power of 8 over 4 plus 1 over 4. Now this will be 9 divided by 4 the power of 2 plus 1 over 4. So as you have seen, this expression is in the form of a the power of m plus n, which can be written as a the power of m times a the power of n. So a is 9 over 4 here. So 9 over 4 the power of 2 times 9 over 4 the power of 1 over 4. Now this will be 9 square, that's 9 square divided by 4 square times this will be 3 square divided by 2 square the power of 1 over 4. Now we can rewrite this one as a over b the power of m. So this will be 89 square is equal to 81 divided by 4 square is 16 times this will be 3 over 2 the whole square times the power of 1 over 4. So 81 divided by 16 times this will be 4 divided by 2 is 2, 3 over 2 the power of 1 over 2. So this term is 81 divided by 16 times 3 the power of 1 over 2 divided by 2 the power of 1 over 2, which means 81 divided by 16 times root 3 divided by root 2. Now we can rationalize the denominator, that is root 2, by multiplying by root 2 over 2, 81 over 16 times root 3 divided by root 2 times root 2 divided by square root of 2. Now 81 divided by 16 times this will be root 6 divided by 2, and finally 81 root 6 over 32 is the same as we have solved in method 1. So this 9 over 4 the power of 9 over 4 can be simplified and it will be 81 times the square root of 6 divided by 32. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.